trying to be productive today. Getting a porta band. I was trying to hide, and then Charlie and Philip found me. So now they're putting me to work so I can get the porta band.
Phil's being judgmental because we use templates instead of guessing.
They want all of them to be the same, Phil.
Who makes a template?
People of the temple. Okay.
Professionals.
This is a very professional template too, as you can tell. That's a schedule. That's like, you know, 12 gauge cardboard. For those who don't know, we got like approximately, how many cats do you think we got here now? 100 kitty cats, and they're in rival gangs. You got the cats, then you also got raccoons, and then the buzzards. And usually the coons just kick the cat's ass, but the buzzards come around. They're vultures, man. I mean, nobody stands a chance to cat food other than the vultures when they're around. It's Charlie's birthday today. He's how old are you, Charlie?
46.
46. His some of you older fellas know once you get that close to that age, you start getting senile, and you think you know everything, but it just disappears. What up?
I wasn't saying shit.
No matter how hard we try, we always result to the torch. Wonderful, beautiful stuff. Let's see what he does here. He went for the grinder. We're just trying to see what your next move here is.
Plug a damn grinder in.
Well, most people wouldn't have enough sense to grind that for their welder, you know, so we appreciate them. Look at that. Getting the metal all cleaned up. We're gonna use a MIG because I'm too lazy to walk with a stick. Impressive. That's why you got to have a helper in his 40s. A 20-year-old helper wouldn't have done that. I'd have had to tell him. And if you're 20 years old and you're watching it, I'm damn 100% right. You sorry little shit. Crank up the MIG. Low range. Just increase the juice till about right there. Check the earth of the wind. I need a little more than that, a little more speed. They ain't pretty, but they'll hold there forever. That ain't never breaking off. These are the ones that we've already replaced, some of them. We used 2x3 tubing, but we don't have no more, and Philip broke us so bad building the scrag over there that we're resulting in just using whatever the hell we got. So we're going with 2x2. This one's already been replaced, that one's been replaced. Place that one next, but today we are putting one right here, which is missing. More or less just going to hug underneath this piece of channel, then go right on top of this piece of square tubing, which we did redo the tubing all the way down that these are attaching to. See the old style right here, back when they had a little bit poorer ways and the tubing, they just took a piece of channel and scabbed it with a piece, and just over time that's just, you need something tougher than that, and that's why we went to this thicker wall tubing. Somebody better call the ambulance. We got a small fire.
Well, shit, the mill's only burnt down once.
Only once. Yep, it's getting bigger.
Working on it.
You're not working real fast, you're gonna burn the place down. There's hydraulic oil down there.
More than 100 firefighters responded to a massive fire at a sawmill.
Should have slipped around behind you while you were welding. Show America what I have to see. Get the water hose in case embers fall on Thomas. Yeah, I mean, you may have to put him out.
You gotta take the helmet off now, though.
I have you know it makes a good shape. It's called the pants. Fold pants now, huh? We're good. Come back next time. Hit the subscribe and like. Dirty bastards.
He
senses the camera and comes running like a rat that smelled cheese.